हॉस्पिटलच्या दुसऱ्या फ्लोरावेल्यान गॅलरीचे ग्रिल एकल्या बायलेचेर पडून तिका मार लागलो. शुक्रारा ही गजाल घडल्या. मार लागल्या ती रिजवाना खान आदवोगात. भयणीक घेवन ती हॉस्पिटलांत आयिल्ली. सकयल राविल्ली तेन्ना तिचेर बिडाचे ग्रिल पडलें. तिचे तकलेक मार लागला. तकली सुजल्या. तिका थंयचे थंयच हॉस्पिटलांत एडमीट केली.
The condition of it is very bad. When it fell down, I just had a look of it. All rust. It was all rusted. Very bad condition. Immediately when they took me in and when I came out to check what it was all cleaned. I had come along with my sister to get her admitted. Okay, so while I was getting in, the railing fell down. It fell right on my head. So this entire part is swollen. I guess it was rotten or what, I do not know. But then it directly fell. So it's aching very badly now.
No, you got cut?
No, I did not get any bruises or scars as such, but then it's swollen. This entire part is swollen.
बिल्डिंगेची हालत बरीच वायट आसा. ग्रिल्स निखळूंक लागल्यात. हुमकळिल्ले नवे जिल्लो हॉस्पिटल बेगीन तडीक लागता तितले दुयेंती आनी स्टाफाच्याय जिवाक सेफ.
सुमार 10:30 सुमार हांव थंय उबो आशिल्लो. वयल्यान ते कळमेन सगळे ते भिडाचे जी ग्रिल्स आसा ते सगळे सकयल पडले. तर काही कारणान हांव वाचलो तर दुसरी एक बायल थंय उबी आशिल्ली तर तिका ते जबर तकलेक मार लागलो. सो तिका भितर इमिजिएटली एडमीट केले. तरी काय खूब वर्सां जाली हालत जी हॉस्पिटलाची अशी जाल्या. तर आमच्या हेल्थ मिनिस्टरान हाजेर दखल घेवन हाजे मातशें रिपेरिंगाचें प्लस काही जे डॅमेज आसा ते सगळ्यांचे मातशें विचार करून तेजे सारकें करपाक जाय. तर लोकांक खूब त्रास जावपाचे. बशिल्ले कडेन पळय कोण बशिल्लो एक बायल बशिल्ली आशिल्ली तेजेर तकले वचून पडले ते. सो मातशी ताजी खबर घेवन ते जाग्यार उडोवचें अशें हांव प्रुडंट मिडिया कडेन रिक्वेस्ट करून तांकां प्रुडंट मिडिया वतीन हे हेल्थ मिनिस्टरा कडेन पावून हे जाग्यार काम उडोवचें.
प्रुडंटा खातीर सावियो डायस.
अनधिकृत आशिल्ल्या कुंकळ्ळी लिगांत खेळ्ळे म्हणून जीएफएन प्लेयरांक सस्पेंड केल्ल्यान ह्या सर्तीच्या आयोजकांनी अध्यक्ष एल्विस गोम्साचो फोग काडलो. हे प्लेयर खेळटा त्या प्रोफेशनल क्लबांक कांयच हरकत ना जाल्यार जीएफएन एक्शन घेवपाची कितें गरज असो तांचो प्रस्न. एल्विस गोम्सान खंय पॉलिटिकल कारणां खातीर अशें केलां म्हणून तांकां दिसता.
This tournament was organized last year also. Why did not they suspend these 45 players? Why only now? Maybe this Elvis Gomes, who is suspended, who is the president of the GFA, maybe he is taking the anger because he contested the elections and I did not support him.
The players are contacted by teams. They have got a contract with the teams. Teams have not issued or they have not said anything. They have not taken any action because usually in off season I have seen for the last 30 years most of the players play in off season for different teams. For so long it is going on for 40 years and that time no teams nor JFA had taken any action. As I say, this is because as he has said, because election he must have taken because otherwise why he has taken action only in tournament organized in Kupoli.
These are the photographs which I would like to highlight. He was the chief guest in campaign. He was the chief guest there. That time he was the president of GFA. Why he did not take action on this? That is what I am saying. Why did he take only action in my tournament? Now I don't think any stars will come and play in my tournament. If he had to do this, he should have done to all the tournaments.
So now
only Kunkuli tournament.
All 45 players which are suspended played in a tournament?
Yeah,
they all played in my tournament.
Only this tournament we have taken.
Why only now? All the people of Kunkoli are crying there. Why only in this? Because this is one of the grand tournaments which is happening in Kunkoli, which has gained more fame.
And last year he should have suspended because last year he didn't say anything.
Last year he did not say anything. Why only now? Because of the elections? Yeah.
जोवी तो रड्डिक्सान डायरेक्ट केल्ल्या मोगान तुज्या कोंकणी फिल्माच्या प्रिमियर शोक बरेपैकी प्रतिसाद मेळ्ळो. मडगांवां रवींद्र भवनांत मोगान तुज्या पळोवपाक लोकांनी गर्दी केल्ली. हे फिल्म समाजाक देख दिवपी आनी कोंकणी फुडें व्हरपी म्हूण फिल्म पळयले सांगतात. प्रिमियर शोक आमदार चर्चिल मुखेल सोयरो. चर्चिलान फिल्माची तुस्त केली.
आमचे काळीज पिशे जावन मोग करतात. हांवें म्हज्या भुरग्यांक इतकी मेकळीक दिली
राजा.
मोगान तुझ्या
कोंकणी फिल्मांक बरे दीस आयल्यात. दर्जेदार कोंकणी फिल्मांक गोंयकार बरो प्रतिसाद दिता. शुक्रारा मोगान तुज्या फिल्माचो प्रिमियर शो हाऊसफुल जालो. रवींद्र भवनात मोगान तुज्या पळोवंक आयिल्ल्या लोकांक पळोवन डायरेक्टर जोवितूय खोशी.
तुमकां सगळ्यांक पळोवन आय एम व्हेरी एक्सायटेड बिकॉज द ड्रीम which I have seen many years ago, and I'm very much privileged here to stand on the stage. I thought about it, थोड्या पयलीं दिसा म्हयन्या पयलीं चिंतलें, but I was scared to come here. But now I'm very much comfortable to see you people here.
प्रीमियर शोक आमदार चर्चिल मुखेल सोयरो आशिल्लो. ताणें जोविताच्या फिल्माची तुस्त केली.
ते सारकें बरें. हें पिक्चर पळयतना जोवितो रॉड्रिगेसाक परबी कित्याक ह्या तेजे पण दाखयलें न्हू मोबायलाचेर चॅटिंग पाटींग कोता पळय तेजे जायतो जाणा फुडार पिड्यार जाला आनी तें पळय दाखयता आसतना तुज्या मोगान पळय म्हणटा तो मोग म्हूण तेणें कितें दाखयला आनी हे सगळे जायते कावच घडल्या. सो मुगे एकूच मागणें सगळे युथान हें पिक्चर चोवपा जाय आनी हें पिक्चर चोवल्यार हेजे जायते जाणां यूथ आनी जायते गोराबे जाग्या पडले. सो म्हाका मुगे तेका म्हणूनच परबी आनीक हें पिक्चर बरें चलतलें म्हाका दिसता हांवें देवा कडेन मागलां.
मोगान तुज्या पळोवंक आयिल्ले लोकूय फिल्माच्या मोगान पडले.
स्टोरी बरी आसलेली. आय लायक द स्टोरी.
Good story, good moral, very unique story. Very, and actors are all good. Especially the music is very good.
I think the story was very good. It was nice, interesting, and it gave a very good lesson to us.
प्रुडंटा खातीर सावयो डायस. इस्रोन अर्थ ऑब्झर्वेशन सॅटेलायट कार्टोसॅट 2 सिरीज आनी 30 को पॅसेंजर नॅनो सॅटेलायट लॉन्च केले. 29 बाकीच्या देशांचे एक भारताचो. सकाळी आंध्रात श्रीहरिकोटासान हे लॉन्च जाले. हो रिमोट सेन्सिंग सॅटेलायट पृथ्वीचे वयली 60 सेंटीमीटर इतली बारीक गजाल सुद्दां तांकां दिसतली. हो स्पाय सॅटेलायट खासा करून शिमे वाठारांत हेरगिरी आनी घुसखोरीचेर नजर दवरूंक वापरतले.
-40 seconds.
-40 seconds.
-35 seconds. -30 seconds.
Real-time programs activated.
-30 seconds.
Roger. -25 seconds.
L1 ESPP open.
-20 seconds.
-20.
Ignition arms armed.
15 seconds.
Cryons are armed.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, +1,
S200 ignited.
+3,
Vehicle liftoff.
+4, +5, +6, +7, liftoff normal. +9, +10 seconds.
Just heard the announcement. Liftoff normal.
20 seconds.
S200
First stage performance normal.
indicated as normal.
+25 seconds. +30 seconds.
Moving majestically.
+35 seconds.
+35 seconds is a very critical phase. Going atmospheric.
+40 seconds.
40 seconds into the flight.
+45 seconds.
6-7 kilometers.
हे बुलेटिन हांगाच सोंपता. ह्यो खबरो तुमकां प्रुडंट व्हॉट्सॲप, ट्विटर, फेसबुक आनी प्रुडंट वेबसायटीचेर लायव्ह पळोवपाक मेळटात. प्रुडंटाक फॉलो करात. नमस्कार.